Om Shanti. Hello friends, welcome to Himalaya Shakti Tantra. Today I am going to make another video on the Himalayan Yogic Breathing Technique series. Today video on the Purak, Kumbhak and Rechak. The ratio will be 4, 7, 8. 4 inhalation, 7 holding, 8 exhalation. So in this people do 2 variations. So I am giving you first the Himalayan variation and the second variation globally people using nowadays. The benefits of this exercise is it will give you very relaxation in your mind. If you're feeling stress, you can do these breathing exercises. It will help you a lot to release your stress, anxiety, depression. It will give you stability in your mind. It will balance your energies. You will feel focused, connected with yourself and with the universe on both sides. So it's a very effective exercises to giving relaxation to your mind, but you have to do it right. Breath work you have to do right. So we'll follow the ratio 4, 7, 8. You will find lots of videos on the YouTube channel on this, but I'm going to teach you the Himalayan and the second variation that you will find everywhere. But the Himalayan yogic pattern is more effective because they use mostly their nostrils. They never use their mouth for exhalation. So in this, what you need to do, you have to sit straight in the relaxation posture. You can sit in a Siddhi Yoni if you are a woman, and you can sit in the Siddha Asana if you are a man. So sit comfortably straight, relax yourself totally. First exhale. Every carbon dioxide you need to exhale. Squeeze your stomach in when you're exhaling, and when you're inhaling, your belly should be come out. You increase the diaphragm. This is the right method. You have to focus in your life on this. Then do the Gyan Mudra. Relax yourself completely. Focus on you. Your spine should be straight, but don't stiff. It should be relaxed. Your neck and your head should be in the one alignment. And then inhale for 4 seconds. I am giving you one round so you can understand this, how to do. You can do this 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes. It's only up to you how much time you have. You can do 30 minutes too. Only these breathing exercises will change your life, your mental stability, your physical appearance. You can able to heal yourself deeply. Your physical health, it will improve your physical and mental health both, and it will give you the alignment in your energies in the center line. So just sit straight, inhale for 4 seconds, then hold for 7 seconds, now release through your nostrils. Relax. So this is the advanced practice because in this we are using long exhaling. If you are a beginner, so you can do different ratio and variation. You can find on my YouTube channel in the playlist of Himalayan Yogic Breathing Techniques. This is the one practice. Always focus on long exhaling. It will help you to cure fast. If you're suffering any disease, mental and physical, if you start exhaling long, it will help you so much in your life, so much. So 4, 7, 8. 4 inhalation, 7 retention, 8 exhalation. Purak, Kumbhak, Rechak. The best exercise in the Patanjali Yoga Sutra. Enjoy your life, healthy and wealthy, and keep practice every day. At least give yourself 30 minutes to 1 hour to transform your physical and mental health and enjoy your spirituality with the true truth and the true knowledge. Om Shanti.